Hello loves, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Today I have a collective haul to share with you. I have some stuff from A Cherry on Top, My Creative Time, and of course the Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and check out what I was able to get. Okay, the first thing I want to share with you is my Creative Time haul. This I got during the Black Friday sales that they had. I believe it was 25% or 20%, give or take. So I got some new stuff that I wanted in my stash. I really like Creative Time. They're another favorite of mine. But yeah, let me show you what I was able to snag up. So the first thing I have here is some gift card sentiments, and they do come with the die so you could cut out your sentiments, and your sentiments are right here. Let me show you that. Hopefully there's no glare. I got that one. And I do, you know me, I love when they come with the cutting die because it's easier for me. No fuss of cutting or dealing with the Cricut. So yeah. So this is a gift card sentiment stamp and die. And here goes a little number in case you want to grab it for yourself. Okay, the next one I have is a winter stamp and die. Winter greeting stamp and die. And this is also another stamp. Look at that. Sorry for the glare. And all of these come with the coordinating die. So you can go ahead and cut that. And then there goes the little number, so in case you want it. So I have that one. The next thing I hauled is a Merry and Bright Penguin Ephemera. I thought he was a cutie patootie. So I was able to get that one. Let me show you a few of those. And a lot of these you can use in other with other kits and stuff. But you do have the little penguin. How cute is he? You have some, like the ice, you have the little iceberg, I think is what you call it, which is a little ice platform thing that's in the water. I went on a blank, of course, as always. Look at the little penguin. Oh, look at how cute he is. A cutie. And like I said, you got a lot of little ice platforms. You got some snow. And it even comes with some sentiments. Oh, there's a heart. And then there are also some sentiments in there. So it's a nice little pack. So I got that. Another thing I have here is a gift card pocket die. And it's actually a pretty nice size. I like it. So you got and this is scallop. So you got the outer piece. You even got a pocket. You even got to decorate your pocket. So you got the top layer to decorate. And if you look, it already has stitching for you. So you don't have to take out the sewing machine. I thought that's pretty awesome. So I got that one. Another thing I have here is a gift card slider die. Look at that. And you get a lot for this one. I think My Creative Time really got good prices. So I got that one. And then, of course, I had to get the snowflake doily die. And it comes with 3 different sizes. So you got the bigger one, and it does come with the outer, the medium one, and the small one. And each of them got the outer also. So I got that one. And then this is the snowflake belly band. So I got that one also. And you don't have to use it for a belly band. You could use it for all kinds of stuff, like for your purses and your boxes or your bags that you make. You can make all kinds of things. You can even use this for the side of a card. But yeah, I got that one. And then, of course, I got the snowflake die. Look how cute and pretty those are. And you get 4 different sizes. Look at that. Real nice. Love, love, love. So that's My Creative Time. I will put the links below. A lot of them were out of stock, but I will put the links if it's I'll put the site and whatever product links that I could get below so that you could either hit a notification to know when they're coming in. But let's go ahead and check out my cherry on top haul. Okay, this is my cherry on top haul. I was able to get my hands on Doodlebug's new paper pad, which is, I think, Oh What's Fun. And I do like how they always put a little note thingy in there. Am I perfect? No, but do I try my best to use up my craft supplies before buying more? Also, no. Very true. I don't either. I don't think none of us do. And they also leave a little note and who the one to pack it. So let's go ahead and look at this one. Okay, so with the cherry on top, I did get the essential kit, which has a little bit of a few things from almost everything almost. So I got that one. I did get a 6x8 paper pad. And of course I got the 12x12 paper pad. And it does come with the little stickers back here. Let's look at the stickers here. Oh, I love that. But I love Doodlebug. Love Doodlebug. They are one of the cute papers that I like. But yeah, Doodlebug is one of my favorite. This pad right here is the same as this one, so we'll look at the smaller pad. Let's look at this one. Look at that. How pretty is that? And then you do, let me do it sideways. You do get some cut aparts here. Love, love, love. You get the flower one here. Oh, beautiful. And you do get the pink. You do get the Santa here. And then you do get a red one. Look at that. The red. And then you get the Gingies. The blue one. Look at that one. And look at that. Snowflakes. Beautiful. And then you get some more cut aparts. And then you got this little strips. Love, love, love. I like this one too. You get some like note cards, journaling cards. Look at that. The Christmas lights. Look at the yellow. And the Christmas trees. Look at that. The red and green, the green and red. Get some more cut aparts like that, because like the advent calendar. You got two of them there. Look at the snowflakes. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Look at that. You got some tags. You got some stripes. And you don't have to use this. Some of this you can mix and match with the candy theme. So look at that. Beautiful. Another one. So I think it goes again. Yeah. So that is the paper pad, which is that. Now the essential kit just comes with some papers. Here, I won't open this. But this one comes with these papers here. You get those papers there. And this does come with the stickers, 2 stickers, a letter stickers, and some regular stickers. And you do get some, I'll show you here. You get the candy cane shape sprinkles. You do get a Gundam like trim. And then a doodle pop with the house. Now I don't know if they're all the same. But this is what I was able to get in mine. So I got that one. The next thing I want to show is what I got from Dollar Tree. So I did get some pom-poms here. I actually was able to find them. I got the white and red. I didn't get the green. I usually use the white and red because I could use this not only for Christmas but for Valentine's also. So I got those 2. I even got some tissue paper here. Look at that. So I got those, which comes in 10. Love, love, love. I love decorating my bags. I also hauled this iridescent shred. Look at the little shred. I love that. I got that one. I also have some ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. I got the red Merry Christmas, the red, white, and green stripe, and then of course the snowflake. So I got those ones. And I also got these keychains because I do have some DTF wraps to put on those. So I got the it's kind of pastel colors. So I got those. And I also hauled a few things from Michael's. I ordered the Christmas pad that matches this. So I got the stickers to go with it. So yeah, let me show you the back. So look at that. I love all the colors. That was adorable. Love, love, love. So I got those. And of course I had to get this one here because this reminds me of the Nutcracker type princessy look. And this is that one. There's a pastel. Love it. I love this one. I got those ones. I was also able to get the ornament die, which has a lot of different layers. I also got the big snowflake die. I love these dies. I also have the stocking one. And of course I got the Christmas tree. So I got those two. I also hauled this peppermint plaid Christmas Noel 6x6 paper pad, and you do get 24 sheets. Probably already seen a lot of videos with that, but I just want to do it this way. I got that one. Look at that. This is like a traditional Christmas. Love, love, love. Got that one. And then the last thing I hauled is this other one, Christmas Noel. Also has 24 sheets. Look at that. Love, love, love. I have a paper pad that matches this from last year. So I wanted to get the little pad to go with it. And yeah, that is my little haul that I wanted to share with you from Cherry on Top, My Creative Time, Dollar Tree, and Michael's. And yeah, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. Leave a comment, let me know what is your favorite. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.